channel ya. Ya, aduh, betul. Sekali punch. Aduh. Sekali ini. Sekali ini. Tidak. Sing. Pisau. Tidak, aduh. Sialan itu mau mati ya. Masukkan ini. Aduh. Ember. Jalan. Tidak apa. Dispapos. Ya. Mama. Nice. Smash. Duel. No. Ayo mati. Jangan bang.
You look different, Kitsy.
Siapa tuh? Si Pen. Aku udah tahu kenalnya.
Si Pen?
Well, yes and no. I'm the pilot of this Kaiden. My own body is somewhere else.
Chief told me what you did, but I couldn't believe it. Did you really kill innocent children?
That's an interesting topic to discuss, but not for now. Kitsy, I did my best to convince my father,
Titan si Pen
but he
jahat.
disappointed me. A shame he couldn't understand my purpose. But you're different. You and I share something special. You know me. I know you. We both understand each other. So please, Kitsy, join me. And together we'll prove how the weakest can reach beyond the strongest.
Kamu peyangan. Cepat semuanya. Tidak, aku minta maaf. Lepas. Aduh, tidak. Tidak. Aduh. Aduh, tidak. Aduh. Aku pusing. Butuh yang udah pensil. Nanti terlebih. Ikannya dia sendiri. Oke bang, kita pergi dulu. Oh yes, pensil woman kita perbaiki.
Overdid it. We're too close to dying.
Considering our current situation, I don't think we'll be able to survive.
You are not the only Titan out there. But speaking about risk,
Mau aku.
Chief, are you sure?
Yakin itu
yes,
tentang hal
see you in
itu.
seconds. Hater heads. Open my eyes. So from now on, we'll no longer hold back and we'll have to fight with all that we have. But be aware of one thing. Giving up all of our resources for this fight is my decision. Because I don't want you to push yourself to your limits. You can drain every last atom of these resources, but don't you dare to exhaust yourself. I don't want to lose you.
Chief,
Oke bang,
about Sikan.
bang,
You're not
sikan
responsible to carry his mistakes.
mengganggu
It's not yours either.
kesalahannya. Kamu hanya itu. Ayo, mau kita upgrade. Kamu bisa bergabungnya denganmu. Menujunya ke sana tanpa itu. Kita apa saja. Ini kunjungan itu. Rencana baru. Siapa tuh?
Well, I guess dying is a day worth living for. Steve and Speaker are about to arrive. Seems like we have to go by the Pencil's plan. They have enough resources to support the Titans for the final battle. Now, the only thing we need is a good distraction against the first line of their troop, which, I suppose, their lead camerages will do the job.
Kamu ketika membutuhkan.
Why are you shouting at me like I'm the Chief Pencil? I'm angry too, but we'll have to save that conversation for another day. If there's going to be another day.
Dia main sinyal ke kamera. Tepatnya potensial. Siapa tuh? Bang, kita sudah di-upgrade. Aku akan lebih gimana? Dia. Oke, kita teleport. Tidak, aduh. Menahan dirimu sungguh membosankan itu. Siapa dong? Aduh.
This wasn't what I saw in you.
Ini lagi di masa depan. Ya. Masa kayak ini, aduh. Sangat percaya diri. Kamu yang sebenarnya semua. Kata kamu, aduh. Kan bisa. Jangan berbeda kebenaran. Kamu. Aduh.
You're not the source of all Clox's powers. You're just a tiny piece of me. Is your fire?
Are you trying to be funny?
When Chief was stealing my powers, I used those few seconds. I slowed the time, making those few seconds pass like 1,000 years for me. I made an illusion of the entire multiverse in my head, taking all possibilities in future, choosing my perfect destiny, leading myself to absolute victory.
Dia. Masa ini dia. Aduh. Tidak, aduh. Lebih cepat kan.
I'm not invincible after all, but I made sure to become one, as I saw all those different destinies of mine in future timelines, and picked the one that leads me to my perfect companion. You can try. Stop holding back and hit me with your best move. Do it if you can. You asked for it. Order infinite boost.
Kayak dia.
Against the holy sword.
Aku masih kuat. Jangan begitu ya.
12. Was that your trump card?
Aduh. Masih kayak ini.
It's over.
Sudah baca. Apa itu? Kita bisa. Aduh. Masih kayak ini. Waduh, tidak.
1,000 years.
Buan cinta.
1,000 years I witnessed millions of possibilities.
Sebetulnya tidak guys yang waktu di masa depan aku satu risiko tentang adanya yang sempurna. Posisi terbaik. Aduh, kamu agak gagal mengusahakan kemenanganku. alasannya ingin tahu soalnya menderita smash. Halo. Mati saja mereka pakai dirimu sendiri.
After that, in the new world, a multiverse without you, I begin my perfect rebellion.
Jalan.
Enjoy your suffering.
Mati kah?
God of coronavirus, my ass. Time strike.
Patat. Aduh. Udah begitu.
Absolute sin.
Bioskop
Well,
yang
that
bagus.
can be good. Ethan, Mr. 099, do you copy?
What is it, Alexa?
The battle of fate for the multiverse has begun.
What's that supposed to mean?
Huh? Isn't that obvious?
It's not really that we can talk to you, so please stop playing games. I need more specific.
Sinister is free. Oh, God, you didn't have to ruin my line.
On my way. Bring the others.
You're welcome.
Kalau kita salah. Oke, mari kita serang. Mari kita serang. Ada dia, ada. Aduh. Siapa ini? Aduh, tidak. Tidak. Siapa ini? Aduh, kejutan. Rasakan ini, salah. Juga semua. Salah. Tidak kena. Mama, mampus tuh. Masuk kayak ini. Mari kita serang. Aduh. Masih ada Jimin. Lihat. Siapa tuh? Ayo. Mari kita gambar. Koma kita TV man yang nyanyi. Kita ini. Mari kita serang. Mari kita serang. Kita suka ini. Mari kita serang.